Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be looking at task 20k. So for this task we are meant to open the file that we saved in task 20j and also have some labels in cells A34 to A36 before we now answer the questions. So you can pause the video and go ahead to read the questions and understand them. Very good. So here I have the labels already here. Okay, we're meant to have a formula in B35 which will calculate the total experience for programmer as well as B36 for engineer, right? To do this, I'm going to use the SUMIF function. Okay, the SUMIF function works in similar way as the COUNTIF function. All right, so move ahead. So I have equals SUMIF. Okay, and then the first my first range, making sure that it's absolute by pressing F4 and then selecting programmer, which is contained in A35, cell A35, and then having the second range, making sure it's also absolute by pressing F4 and closing that. So simply this formula works in a particular way. It compares the range here. Within this range, whenever it encounters the content of A35, it adds the number of experience within C3 to C21. What do I mean? So when it sees programmer, which is the content of A35, is going to add 3. Of course, it starts from 0, right? It's going to add 3, so 3. And then the next programmer it encounters within this range is going to add 2 again, which is what? Which is 5. And the same thing, it sees another programmer, it adds the years of experience again to 5, which is 10. Something like that. I hope you get the gist now. So whenever it sees a match, it adds the years of experience within this particular range. Okay, so that's how it works. So you enter that. So since I have the A35 as relative cell reference, so I don't have any problem replicating the formula. Of course, the formula will change. The A35 will change to A36 as you move to the next cell. All right. So another way you can look at this is giving the ranges, the various ranges, a name, right? By name range, and then probably working it out that way. Okay, so that's how you can do that. So I think that's the end of this exercise. So before I go, let's just save this as task 20k, okay, for future references. Okay, so I'll save that as task 20k. Okay, so and that's how you can get this done. All right, so if you have any question, you can leave a comment down below. I'll be glad to answer that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also share.